Okay guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to claim your circuit drop. So what you need to do is I'm going to show you now. Now this is it. This is my laptop now. So what you need to do is go to a new search bar and search for circuit. You can search circuit.com, and after that you're going to come here. And now if you are eligible, and that is if you do your circuit, you do your test run about some months ago, then you'll be able to know. So you can see, you click on this, take one. Once you click on this, take one, it's going to bring you here. And now you click on this, connect your wallet. Connect your wallet, it's going to load. It's loading now. Once loaded, it's going to bring all the wallet that you can connect. It's loading, so let's wait for it to load. You can see it's still loading for you to be able to claim your circuit airdrop. So let's wait for it. It's still loading. Okay, now click on connect your wallet. Now these are the wallet that you can connect. You can see for example, now you can click on trust wallet. If you're able to connect your wallet, that means you are eligible to claim your airdrop on circuit, and that is if you do the test run there. If you sorry guys, if you are on the circuit, to be able to connect your wallet. Once that, just connect your wallet and you'll be able to claim your airdrop successfully. So guys, if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe. But you can see I was unable to connect any wallet because I did not do any of this airdrop at all, so I was unable to connect it. So guys, see you in our next video. Drop any comments there.